My entrepreneur name is Mr. Panati Deva Reddy Vijay. He was born in 1975 in Pallur in Andhra Pradesh. After completing his SSLC, he started his career as a lorry driver in his neighbor's transport. With the 2 years experience, he started his own vehicle transport and worked as owner cum driver. In 1992, he started SRP Enterprises with the partnership of 5 members. The director of this company was Mr. Panati Reddy Venkatamuni, and managing director was Mr. Panati Deva Reddy Vijay. And this company mainly worked for BBMP contracts in Bangalore. BBMP is a Bharat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, is the fourth largest municipal corporation in India with the population of 8.4 million. SRP Enterprises worked with BBMP in solid waste management, and also it was involved in mine business also. He left the mines business due to loss of 7 crores. In 2021, he started SRP Communication, and in 2004, he started City Call Taxi in Bangalore. He was the first person who started City Call Taxi in Bangalore by offering fair price and comfortable in his City Call Taxi for hire. As the sub of City Call Taxi, they started SRP Travels. After some times, he left the SRP Travels and now it was handled by his cousin. In 2007, he started another one company named as Winfo Healthcare Private Limited. This company has 3 directors. 1. Mr. Panati Deva Reddy Vijay. 2. Sundara Bala Venkata Krishna. 3. Mohammad Anwar. This company mainly manufactures of metals and chemical products. And Mr. Panati Deva Reddy Vijay started one pharmacy company for production of medicine. He closed that company after 3 years due to loss. In 2008, the SRP Enterprises was converted into Sri Rama Anjanaya Prasanna Private Limited with the capital of worked capital as 10 lakh and paid of capital as 9 lakh. This enterprises has 2 directors. One is his father, Mr. Panati Reddy Venkatamuni, and Mr. Panati Deva Reddy Vijay. And this enterprises works in BBMP in solid waste management. They have a contender for 3 areas: Basveshwara Nagar, Kumaraswamy Nagar, and Kammanalli. For this, there are 76 tipper autos and 8 lorries. And in Basveshwara Nagar, 28 tipper autos and 3 lorries. And in Kammanalli, 25 tipper autos and 3 lorries. In Kumaraswamy Nagar, 25 autos and 2 lorries. And there are same solid waste management contract in Mysore Corporation. For that, there are 28 autos and 7 lorries. In this establishment, there are also do manpower, staffs, and employee supplying contacts. There are employee supplying contacts in BBMP, in Bangalore, in Mysore City Corporation, and Mysore Chamundi Hills, Shivamogga City Corporation, and in Hampi's Atal Zoo Watch Boy. And Mr. Panati Deva Reddy Vijay as contacts as individual and as per SRP Enterprises. Yes. Or Sri Rama Anjanaya Prasanna Private Limited. The turnover of his individual contract is 7 crores, and turnover of the Sri Rama Anjanaya Prasanna Enterprises Private Limited was 300 crores. In 2009, he started Laura College in Bomnalli, and after 2-3 years later, he left the college, and now this college is handled by his friend, and he was the former chairman of Laura College. In 2016, he started SRP Distributors and this distributors mainly supplying water cans for IT sectors in Bangalore. Before the COVID period, the turnover of this establishment was 2.5 crores in a month, and due to the COVID-19 situation, now it has reduced to 2.15 lakhs per month. In 2018, he started SRP Motors. The commencement of this SRP motor was he was the unauthorized promoter of Bajaj Autos, and he sold 1500 Bajaj Autos in Bangalore city. They gave an idea to start a service center for Autos, three wheelers, and he was planned only to start a service center for Bajaj tipper autos, and later he done servicing. He also started to do service for all types of three wheelers from Bajaj companies. And he also work as a agent for insurance company and provide insurance for all types of vehicles.